Any proper dish should retain vitamins, minerals, and other components to be beneficial for the body. And in this video, I will tell you about a delicious salad that will help you cope with tinnitus, heal the pancreas, expel parasites from the body, and improve your eyesight if you start consuming it regularly. This is a healthy, fast, and delicious dish that you will definitely like. There's no need to boil and bake anything to prepare it, and the time of cooking will not take more than 10 to 15 minutes. The main ingredients are beets and carrots. Beets should be dark, not pink. If they stain your hand when you peel them, then the product is selected correctly. If it's juicy and sweet at the same time, the salad will be even more wonderful. Carrots should be bright orange, juicy, and sweet. Peel the ingredients and grate them, then put in a container. We will also need 1 apple. Grate it too with a coarse grater and crush 3 to 5 walnuts. Also grind 2 to 3 cloves of garlic and mix all the ingredients. To make the salad dressing, pour 3 tablespoons of olive oil and 50 milliliters of soy sauce and a pinch of black pepper. You can also add some of your favorite spices, herbs, 2 to 3 teaspoons of honey, and a small amount of soaked raisins. Mix the dressing and put it in the salad. Eat this healthy and light dish before each meal for 2 weeks, then take a break and repeat the course. Your BP will be normalized, the condition of the vessels will return to normal, your vision will be improved, and all parasites will be out in just a couple of weeks.